Hello, my friends. You're welcome. I hope you have a nice day. This is Captain Badr Al-Badran, your teacher for IMO Standard English Maritime course via Arabic accent. Today we will discuss the classification of ships by mission. Type of ship. The main classification of ships by the mission into two parts, warship and merchant ship. Warships. She's the main goal for carrying weapons and go on her maneuvering to get battle. Also, they have many kinds, as I show in the next slides. Aircraft carrier. She's a huge warship, can carry an aircraft and some weapons, so she's like a floating airport. Cruiser, she's a huge warship that can carry different very heavy-duty weapons like missiles, long-range, heavy artillery, underwater weapons like torpedo and mines. Nowadays, there isn't any new cruiser on the surface because the construction of this type is very expensive and has also been compensated for by less expensive and more difficult types like destroyers and frigates. Destroyer. She's a big warship, less than a cruiser. She can carry some weapons at the cruiser. Frigate. She's a middle warship. She has fast speed with high maneuverability, can be armed the same as a destroyer. Corvette. She is a small frigate and she has a different mission. Patrol boat. She's a small warship with very high speed. The main mission is to protect the territorial waters, coastline, and shipping lines of merchant ships. Submarine. She is a private warship, has a special design like a tube. She capable to sail underwater. Excursion. She is a private warship. Her engine use the fan like the plane. She's sailing without a draft and she's capable to land on a dry surface. Surface boat, a small boat used for service only. Hospital vessel. A ship can use it for civilians or militaries. Her mission for treating the sick or wounded. This picture for the ship name called the Cat, which used with the war against Iraq in 2003. Merchant ship, these kinds of ships designed mostly for carrying cargo and civilian works. This sketch of flowchart for marine cargo, all marine cargo, was divided into two parts. Marine cargo can be divided into two major categories: packed or general cargo, and unpacked or bulk cargo. Unpacked or packed is related to the goods. Good itself, and of course it affects what ship type that should be used for transportation. Packed or general cargo also divide into three parts. Further, general cargo is supplied into their areas of goods: break bulk cargo, neo bulk cargo, and unitized cargo. Break bulk is typical when good is packed in boxes, bags, parallels, carates, drums, and on pallets. Ship used for this cargo is bulk cargo carriers or combination ship. Neo bulk cargo is typically lumber, paper, steel, cars, and trucks. Ship used here are bulk carriers, but also specialized ro-ro ships for cars and trucks. Unitized cargo is typically cargo that is packed in containers. In this case, it is the container carriers that does the job. Part 2, unpacked or bulk cargo. Like the packed cargo, the bulk cargo is also supplied into two areas: liquid bulk or wet bulk, and dry bulk. Liquid bulk is typically petroleum, gasoline, LNG, liquefied natural gas, liquid chemicals, juice, wine. These ships used for liquid bulk and are tankers. A dry bulk is typically gold, grain, iron ore, bauxite, and cement. Ship type used geared or gearless bulk carrier. Passenger ship a ship designed for carrying passenger transportation and luggage. Tanker ship designed for carrying liquid materials or gas like oil, wine. Bulk cargo ship designed for carrying dry materials like grains. Container ship designed for carrying container which unitized cargo. Roro, roll on, roll off, Roro ship. Designed for carrying new bulk like cars, trucks, vehicle and wagon. A drilling vessel, a private ship designed for drilling and deepening the bottom to increase the draft of the port or shipping lanes. Fishing vessel, a ship designed for fishing with any kind of fishing apparatus like nets and trawling. Sailing vessel, a vessel which used sail for sailing. Yacht, this type of ship is used for a picnic, at most for VIP owner. Seaplane, a ship designed to maneuver on the water. A specialist vessel, a vessel which is designed for private mission, like ship fixing buoys and lights for beacon. Non-displacement vessel, a vessel sailing without any draft, like hovercraft, sometimes called a vehicle or craft that travels over land or water on a cushion of air provided by a downward blast. Fixes of ship name. Prefixes of ship name. We have a list of codes which written before a ship name. Codes are given before the name of the ship, mean at most the type of ship or her mission. For example, MV Baghdad, Baghdad the name, and MV motor, V vessel, motor vessel Baghdad. P 101, P patrol boat. TV training vessel. MT motor tanker. HSF high speed ferry, and so on. Thank you for your attention and good luck. Please accept my regards. I am Captain Dajer Al-Badran with all my best wishes. Thank you and good luck. Bye for now.